Hello, May class, and welcome to your next wider curriculum lesson. In the previous lesson, you were completing your hot tasks on the Romans. So we are carrying on with looking a little bit connected to the Romans, but today we are going to be learning and understanding key vocabulary from our new topic of Bath, as in the place. So we'll be going through the key vocabulary today. So let's begin by having a look at this picture. So this picture, obviously, we know is from Bath in England. We did previously look at the Bath itself on using Google Maps. You can go and have a look at it. You can also find some virtual tours online that you have a better look and having around. But obviously, this is a traditional Roman bath where people used to go and visit. So as I mentioned, it's a picture of Roman baths that are located in Somerset, in the city of Bath, and it is in the map there. Have a look down, it's down there. Right, so I want you to think, what we're going to do today is actually do our 3 tasks that we normally give you. We're going to give them to you as we go through the lesson. So before we even go into anything else, I want you to pause and think, what do you know about the place that's called Bath? So Bath in Somerset, what do you know about it? And I want you to think, draw yourself a spider diagram, just like we did with the Romans, and you can say Bath in the middle and then have the information that you know coming off of it. This is obviously something that you are going to refer back to at the end of this topic, like we did with the Romans. So make sure to keep your spider diagram somewhere where you can find it again. So pause the video now and create a spider diagram about any facts that you know about Bath. Right, once you have completed your spider diagram, put that to the side. You may know a little bit, you may know quite a lot, you may not know much at all, and that's okay, because just like we did when we were looking at the Romans, what we will do is we will have the information that we know in one color, and then once we have learned a lot more at the end of our topic, we will add all the extra information that we've remembered in a different color. So we're going to have a look through the knowledge organizer, and I am going to put the knowledge organizer up on Tapestry for you to refer back to, but this is going to include some facts and the vocabulary words about Bath. So the vocabulary words that we're looking at are Bath, maps, United Kingdom, cities, population, modern day, navigation, rivers, location, and research. So if we're reading the information, the city of Bath. Bath is a city located in the county of Somerset. So it is in the country, obviously it's in this country, it's in England. Bath is in the valley of the River Avon and is very close to a city called Bristol. Roman name for Bath was Aquae Sulis. The Romans built the baths as part of a spa in the year 43 BC. They called it Aquae Sulis, which means the waters of Sulis, and Sulis was the local goddess. Bath has a population of 88,859 people. A fun fact for you is that Jane Austen, the author, who was a famous novelist, she lived in Bath in the 19th century. Bath is also where Roald Dahl's short story, The Landlady, takes place. The architecture. Most buildings in Bath are made from the local golden-coloured Bath stone, and many date from the 18th and 19th century. So those are really, really old. Food. Several foods have an association with the city. Right, Sally Lunn buns is a type of tea cake, have long been baked in Bath. The city is connected to Bristol and the sea by the River Avon, and during the Middle Ages, it was an important city for buying and selling wool. So those are obviously some extra facts that we can know about the city of Bath. So your second task today is to have a go at defining these keywords for yourself. So on each keyword, I want you to write it down and then write your own definition or what you think that word means. At the end, we're going to then reveal the correct definitions to you. So the first one is Bath. And you can see, obviously, with the capital letter, we're talking about the city Bath. So that may help with your definition. So pause the video, write down your keyword, and then write down your own definition. Your next word is maps. Maps. Your next word is United Kingdom. United Kingdom. Your next word is cities. Cities. Your next word is population. Population. Your next word is modern day. Modern day. Your next word is navigation. Navigation. Your next word is rivers. Rivers. Your next word is location. Location. Your next word is research. Research. Okay, so you can go back and write down the words, but you should be writing down these words and have your own definition for these words. I'm now going to go through the actual definitions, and this will let you adjust or add information to your definition that you've written already. So Bath. Bath is the largest city in the county of Somerset, England, and it is known and named after the Roman-built baths. Maps are a representation of an area of land or sea showing physical features, cities, roads, etc. They also show train lines, important places that you could visit. So maps are obviously a representation of an area from above. So, United Kingdom. The United Kingdom is the place in which we all live, and it is obviously made up of different countries, but that's why we are called the United Kingdom. Cities. A city is a large town. Population. The whole number of people living in a country, city, or area is what we call a population. Modern day, and this relates to the present or recent times. We call this modern day. Navigation is the process of planning and following a route. Rivers are a large natural stream of water that flows in a channel to the sea. So we have actually done a bit on rivers before, but that just gives you a bit of extra information. Location is a particular place or position, is a location. So where something is located. And research is a careful study and investigation for the purpose of discovering and explaining new knowledge. Okay, so your third task is as follows. You are going to complete your keyword definitions. So just like I mentioned, maybe you want to go back and add things to your definitions and add a symbol or a picture next to each one that you have written to help you remember the words and use them in your writing over the next few lessons. So your 3 tasks have been put up, so you should have been doing them throughout the slideshow. So pausing, doing task 1, pausing, doing task 2, and then obviously finishing your key definitions and putting some drawings that would then go with them that then better allow you to understand what each one of the words means. Don't forget to upload your work onto Tapestry by 4 o'clock this afternoon. Please make sure that you are keeping all of this somewhere that you can refer back to it. And don't forget that I will be putting up the knowledge organizer onto Tapestry for you.